Hello, my voice is audible. You can put it in chat box. Hello Ashish, hello Vinod. Welcome to these sessions. So good evening. I am Vinayak Tengere, founder 24 Mile and coach Exim. Every week we organize support call for our participant. Also, we conduct various sessions from industry experts or stories of successful exporters. Every week we organize sessions. So welcome to these sessions. Today's session is on how packing will boost our export sale. Last week I met Mr. Anil Joshi in his office in Pune, and we discussed around 2 hours, and I found it is very interesting the way he's supporting the exporters because he is into packing, and how he has given too many examples during 2 hours of sessions, and I was really surprised how packing can make a difference. I had never thought on that how packing can make a difference and how it can increase the sales. So he has given too many examples. So without losing time, I will welcome Mr. Anil Joshi to this today's sessions. You can put on your video, Anilji. Anilji, are you there? In this while he's joining or he's coming in these sessions, you will understand how packing will support to boost the exporter. He has developed the many exporters packing, well-known, well-established exporters packing design activity he has been doing since more than his office more than 30 years. Anilji, are you there? Just now, let me check it out. Again, this will be the interactive sessions. You can ask the questions between the sessions. Let me just call him. तुम्ही जॉईन नाही झाला का? जॉईन व्हा. तुमचा व्हिडिओ नाही दिसत. प्लीज पुट ऑन युअर व्हिडिओ. He's joining just within 1 minute. So meanwhile, what is your questions about the packing? What do you expect from these sessions? Will you please, anybody can put it in chat box? Ashish, yes. Yes, Ashish, we will help you. You can put it in chat box. What is your expectation from this session? How packing is supporting to export sale? So what comes in your mind? You can put it in chat box. Can beginners do export? Yes, Divya. Beginners do the export. We're having too many examples. You can attend our forthcoming webinar on coming Sunday 8 p.m. This session we organize for open to all. This is open to all sessions. To educate the society, we organize these types of knowledge sessions. Anything related to packing, what is in your mind? Ashish, you said something. You need help regarding dry fruits. Yes, he will give the example of dry fruits. Cheaper options for printed multicolor rice bags. Okay, Arsulemi. Sir, can you give us the quotation of packing of our products? Yes, yes, you can give the quotations. So Anilji will help you. What will be the cost? Different types of packing with respect to different commodities and how does it help in exporting? Vinod, he will give the beautiful examples because he's having too many. You will literally enjoy these sessions. and he will give the too many examples how packing could make the difference in export, increasing the export sale. Packing of turmeric, yes, Rushikesh. You can ask him, because what he will tell you, different products, different types of packing he has done. Just a minute. I might have, just a minute, let me check it out. Anil sir, what is your, you can put it in your chat box, because I am unable to understand which one is your ID.
Vinayak sir, sir, please make host to Anil Joshi.
Because your name is also Anil, but I am unable to find out his name.
His name is showing as Anil Joshi.
Sorry, I will make you the, because your name.
Yes. That is the problem.
Okay, I'll do it right now. I'll
Yeah,
remove you from that. Huh?
Yes.
Just now he has come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Am
I audible?
Yes, you are audible. You are clear, audible. I had made somebody, Anil name is, one of my participant name is Anil, so I made him a participant, co-host.
Okay.
I was discussing with my participants, all my participants. We weekly organize these types of knowledge sessions. Also, we organize the support call, master support call every week, so that our students who are studying the export and import, just a minute, somebody. Who is studying the export and import things, whatever queries are there, we resolve during the support call. Every Wednesday, we organize the support call between 8 to 9. Many of the times, we also organize we bring on platform expert like you, who are really doing great work for the exporters. And during our discussion, I have seen a lot of products in your office, and it was really, really really amazing. You are doing amazing work. So before losing the time, I would like to introduce and welcome Mr. Anil Ratnakar Joshi. He is the owner of K. Joshi and Company, born in 4th February 1970. He has done MCOM, DBM, Diploma in Printing Technology, jointly family business. He had joined his family business in 1989, attended many national, international exhibitions and seminars. His grandfather started business in 1937 with clock making. Then they shifted to later press in 1950. Later on, his father got brand new German printing machine in 1983. Technological development were not so fast in those times, but to deliver high quality products, be updated with current market trends, and follow ethical working style is something Anil Joshi has received as family legacy. Anil Joshi has been working in the company for the last 32 years, and the company has gone through vast technological changes, and today K. Joshi and Company stand out among the crowd with no pride and dignity. So Anil sir, welcome again. So you please start because we are very curious about your presentation. How do you support to the exporter, and how does it make difference to the exporters and increase their sale? So go to you. I'm giving the already given the access. You can share your presentation, or can I share your presentation?
Yeah. I just wanted to know what kind of crowd is there, so I can plan my questions as well as answers, as well as a lot of things I can explain accordingly. Means.
I'll brief about the crowd. Many are they are into many are the fresher. They are looking aspirants, and also some are already in the process of getting the inquiries and responding them. So if you can guide them, they will get an direction. What exactly to do to make a boost the export sale, because they are many of the time they are struggling getting the inquiry, finding out the buyers in that area. But as you said, if our product is unique, then definitely buyer will come to us.
Okay.
That way you can guide to our.
Normally, if you look at packaging plays a very important role in the product sale. Mainly, suppose if you want to sell any product, it should be the customer should catch in minimum 3 seconds. If the customer cannot catch the packaging in 3 seconds, then the sale is gone. So my intention is that always you will have to take care of the designing. While designing, it should be very attractive, very catchy. Suppose I can show you a couple of samples in front of you, so you can just have a look at this.
Anil sir, you can also view the keep on your chat box so that you can also, or I will read for you. No problem.
Okay.
Mahesh, that company location information will be given to you later on. Yeah.
So suppose you can see this. This is a cartons we have developed for a masala company. And what is looking at there? The main focus is on the product. Product is the main important thing in this packaging. Normally, whenever customer sees in the any shelf on the shelf or any mall, so he looks at the packaging. It's very attractive. It's very tempting. So he should pick up this carton in just 3 seconds. Then the sale, then he can think of, I need to buy a chicken curry masala for the chicken curry. So normally, what is there mainly? Mainly, more than 50% is there on the photograph is there on the packaging. Then the name of the product. And suppose some companies are new companies and they wanted to establish, they wanted to fight for the existing companies product. So normally, whenever you wanted to compete with them, it's mainly we can work on the basis only on the designing on the packaging. Suppose the packaging is the good thing, then the customers may pick up the packet in the 3 seconds. Normally, you can see that we have not mentioned more on that which is the company name, but mainly on the photograph and the product. Product is more highlighted. You can see so many things. You can see this kind of thing packaging. The company, the name is not really important. The main thing is that if you go for first sale will be done by the packaging, and second sale will be done by the taste of the product. So main thing is that if we need to do a first sale on the basis of only packaging will play a major role. So we should look at while making the new designs for the export. So we are doing a couple of export jobs for the packaging, and it should stand out from the other competitors. Normally, we are looking at suppose if anybody comes to me for the packaging printing for the export. In that case, what we look at, first of all, we look at whether we should sell the concept of the product, whether this is a primary packaging or secondary packaging. Primary packaging means it's a mono cartons. So mono cartons are the main important thing for the safety of the product, or it will give the information about the company as well as the product. Then how it should appear, the image of the product on the packaging. Then the photography should be there. In my sense, more than 60 to 70% photograph should be there, so it will be easily catchable. So people can catch easily the design or the product. Then one more thing, main is that while designing the product of the competition, so we should look at the competitors. Who are the competitors? How are they based? How are they placed? And what is the packaging currently they are following? On the basis of that, we should design the product in such a way it should be better than the competitors, and we should look at who are the best in the world. So we will have to take care of that also. Considering that, so we need to design the product accordingly. So whether definitely we'll hike in the or boost in the packaging sale. One more thing is that sometimes we try to use the Pantone colors. Pantone colors are very much important to use, because if you see the packaging of MTR is using red special color. So it indicates that whenever anybody pick the packet of MTR, it indicates it's consists of 100% red. So it's definitely while repurchasing, it will capture again the resale, something like that. Then you can go for attractive shapes also. On the shelf there are 10 products, and our shape is the same as the other competitors. Instead of that, we can go for different kind of shapes, and when we can go for different shapes, it definitely stands out from the other competitors. More than that, some of the main thing is that we have developed some of the product. You can see these shapes. We have developed the triangle shape. In the market, you will find some plain square boxes, and these are the export cartons where we are. Okay, these are the export cartons. We are doing it. One more one more carton we have developed now recently, which is for the masala. See, this is the new concept we are developed. In this, there will be 3 packets inside, and customer wants to see the packets also as well as the cover. So it's very economical. Instead of going for Flexo, it's too costly, and you can go for the minimalistic design with minimalistic costing.
Anil sir, just a minute. I'll explain to my participant what he is saying in my wording. Actually, spices are the same, products are the same. Just now, yes, shown you Kolhapuri spices in Hoponopo. Name has given Hoponopo. So it is a different name, unique name. Spices is the same, and Kolhapuri curry, it is a common in Maharashtra. At least it is in Maharashtra. Everybody knows that what is Kolhapuri curry. But what he has done, because of different packing, different look, if you see the packing, it looks very, very different, and name is different, picture is different. Literally, it attracts. Anil sir will also give the some example. Just now, today morning you gave the example. There was a one packet where Australia, I think, no? You have given the example today morning during our discussion. Please share that. It is very interesting.
Okay. Which can you?
Just you said that there is a one purple or some color was there, and it was attracted, and because of attraction, it was put it in the rack in Australia. You said.
Okay. Normally, we have developed one more packet, this kind of thing, and normally people are using only colorful images for the packing, and in this case, we have developed Kurma curry. The name of the brand is Vegan Sadhu, and in that they have not done any images. They have not put any images on the shelf. You have seen we have used around 8 to 10 colors in this kind of packaging. So what happened? Whenever customers want to see the packaging, it was indicating totally different. And with the help of that packaging, people have grabbed this product in a big way, something like that. Or one more thing, I will show you one packaging for. We are doing a lot of packaging for a lot of clients for a lot of different types of varieties.
आप हिंदी में सर some request has come from Arvind Singh. He also want please share Hindi English mix करो.
मराठी चलेगा सर थोड़ा बहुत.
हिंदी English.
Okay. Okay. मला देते
If you have any questions, you can put it in chat box. I will read and I will convey to him. We want to make this conversion more interactive. Wow.
Sir, this is a हे जे पॅकेजिंग आहे हे आम्ही एका कंपनीसाठी केलेलं होतं फॉर
सर हिंदी और इंग्लिश
दिस पैकेज ये पैकेजिंग हमने कंपनी के लिए किया था फॉर दीज आर फॉर पेट कंपनीज एंड पेट कंपनीज प्रोडक्ट सो आई वांटेड टू टेल देम कि ये जो कलर है वी हैव यूज्ड अ पेंटॉन कलर इन दैट सो इट्स इंडिकेटिंग कैट का जो कलर कैट जैसा लेडीज कलर जब से हमने किया था तो whenever customer wants to repurchase the product वो उसके दिमाग में ये कलर बैठा था. So he उसको इतना अच्छा लगा कि ये प्रोडक्ट का कलर देख के मेरा सेल रिपीट हो रहा है. तो एक मेन थिंग इज दैट कि we should use Pantone colors also for the packaging. It will stand out from the crowd first of all. और एक ऐसा है कि normally while designing the product, you should make sure that it should you should have all the perspective, means you should have the barcode on the packaging, you should have the QR code. Nowadays people are putting the reordering code also. सो सपोज एक अपना पैकेट है वो एक महीना भर चलता है और उसमें खत्म होने के पहले उसको एक ऐसा रीऑर्डरिंग कोड होता है. सो इट विल डायरेक्टली रीऑर्डर द प्रोडक्ट. सो देयर इज नो नीड टू गो टू एनी शॉप और एनी मॉल. देन social media will play a major role. So people should main thing, people should also look at the social media. They should have a Instagram page, they should have a Facebook page which we should put on the package, as well as as well as the uh, uh, as well as the main photography will play a major role. Or photography, barcode, Instagram, WhatsApp number, QR code, or the mandatory items. And suppose if anybody has started a new company for the new packaging product, so he should take care the name of the product or brand. You should not having any religion in that. It should be neutral. So whenever you suppose if you want to sell a product in Dubai or in UAE and having a Marathi name, it won't work. Hindu name, it won't work. So it should be 100% neutral for the. I will give an example. One of our client has developed one packaging for masala, and he was selling in India, and he thought he should capture the customer of United UK. And considering that the name of the product was in Marathi, and then he realized we will develop a new brand having an English name in that, and having an English name in that, and he has developed he has put a name in English for considering the UK customers. And the same product he used to sell at 30 rupees in India at the time, and he used to get 2 pounds in UK. So after doing that, he has put that product in other main Tesco and such other companies, where he used to get around 5 pounds per packet.
Anil sir, what we do, you are rightly said, we also during our coaching, we also convey to our all participants, if you want to make a sustainable export business, you should develop a brand. And to develop a brand, packing is one of the important factors. Take the example of, we always give the example of Haldiram. Snacks is everywhere, every corner of the India. But if you say who is the largest exporter of snacks, first name will come in our mind, that is Haldiram. It is because of branding. And for branding, packaging is the one of the important factors. This is we always share, but you are Anil sir is the person. He is the person, he actually designed the packing. And he knows as of today how many customers you have, sir, last 32 years, sir.
Sir, we are doing so many customers actually, but currently the trend has changed after the Corona, and we are currently every day doing around 20 new jobs for the packaging.
Wow.
Because and we have got specialized Switzerland machine for the packaging, Bobst. And on that basis, it's 100% guarantee in the quality, and there is no compromise in the quality actually. So main advantage of the packaging is that one more thing is that we can define different shapes also. We can do different kinds of cartons where the customer will get attracted and try to convert that customer into business. So we are doing in that way. And I will tell you, sir, suppose if the packaging is fantastic, then one of the, you must have heard one very 1,000 crore brand, he was telling that for 7 years, he has developed in such a way his packaging. So he hasn't spent a single rupee on marketing. So
Right.
if the packaging is the best, then there is no need to spend more money every month or every year for marketing. So automatic.
I would like to convey one message to all participants. Anil sir, he is into this business since last 32 years. He is supporting and developing markets well-known brand. Only thing he is not taking their name because that is a well-known brand, and he is not taking their name. So he is already associated with the well-known brand of the markets in the food for food products. Am I right, Anil sir?
Yes, absolutely.
If possible, if you want to take, you can take the name. If permission is has given that person or not, you can take, or otherwise it's okay. We are okay with that. We are
Actually,
okay. We understand. We should.
I will tell you. I will share you the example of Parampara. We used to. I'm telling the example of Parampara. He used to sell his masala in 2002 or something like that. At that time, the name was Parampara. Then for the customer based in UK or Europe, he has developed the name Curry Tree. So he has changed, or he has developed one more new brand, which will indicate, which will target foreign clients. It should not, because of the Indian name, the Indian people can understand the meaning of the brand, but no foreigner can understand the meaning of that Parampara word. So he has developed in such a way. So he has got good response for that. So people, we are guiding some customers where they are having, suppose you can just take an example of Bajaj. Bajaj is having also motorcycle, and also they have developed with the one more KTM. So competition, we should create one more competition for them. So now again, my intention is that if you spend very much time while preparing the design, while making the product, it will definitely speak for yourself. It will definitely have, and main thing is that if the packaging is good, then it's a very scalable business. Main thing is scalable business. In packaging, you can prepare your product in anywhere in India, and you can scale anywhere in the world. So main advantage of the packaging is scalable. It's a scalable business, and that's why we are giving them a good kind of guidance, what to use, what colors to use, what photographs to use, who are your competitors. I will also one more. I will share one of the job. Customer was having these kind of packaging for the stethoscope box, and we have developed these boxes. Considering the total packaging for so these are the boxes we have developed. We have used the Pantone colors in that, and it's very attractive. The and sale has gone up in multiple times, multiple folds. So always try to see who are your main things, who are your competitors, how are they placed, how is the packaging of the customer. Then we are developing the customer base, something like that. So you can ask anywhere whatever you want to.
Okay, Rushikesh asking the question. Sir, can you please tell us how can we successfully package turmeric for exports?
Okay. We are developing some. We are doing some jobs for turmeric also. So we are the customer has exported to Brazil and Mexico, and there are two things. Either you can go for flexo packaging if the volume is big. Otherwise, you can send in mono cartons. Mono cartons are the economical one. But if the volume is bigger, then I will advise you to go for flexo cartons.
And also he's asking also what we have to do if our product is rejected because of packing. So is there, do you know, is there any criteria for the country-wise criteria for the packing? Any criteria? So
I don't think there is any criteria for rejected for packing, but normally it's a reusable product. So it should be kept in the flexo because it will be economical for you. or suppose if you are going for mono cartons, people may taste for one time, then you must supply them in a bulk quantity. That's why you can go. We are doing some jobs for turmeric in two things. So see, this is the export job we are done. This is for Pico Rico company, and for it's a turmeric job. अजून बाकी पण job तिथे बरेच आहेत. These are the Pico Rico cartons. You can ask anything, so we can.
Arvind ji asking the question. Please answer his question in Hindi. Sir, we want to export fruits and vegetable. Possible brand and packaging. Fruits and he's asking for fruits and vegetables.
We have so it's a room box we are developing some cartons for mango cartons also. I will show you the carton how we have developed, and basically normally क्या होता है कि आप जब फ्रूट्स का कार्टन ये करेंगे उसको 3 प्लाई और नहीं तो 5 प्लाई में ही चाहिए, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि आप सपोज एक कार्टन का वेट देखेंगे, प्रोडक्ट का वेट देखेंगे, और आपने सपोज 3 प्लाई का कार्टन चूज किया बिकॉज ऑफ द कंसिडरिंग द वेट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. बट नॉर्मली क्या होता है जब स्टैकिंग करते हैं एक के ऊपर एक, तो वो स्टैकिंग करने के बाद वो वेट प्रॉपर नहीं होता है और द fruits gets damaged. So I will advise you to go for 5 mil 5 ply containers corrugation में, तो there won't be any problem. I will show you the mango box what we have developed for export for 2 kilos as well as 2 dozens as well as 1 dozen. So it's and we are doing some pharma packaging also. Pharma packaging, but normally we don't have any scope in pharma packaging because the customer has supplied us the design for the packaging. So pickles, I will advise you to go for the glass bottles or the plastic jars. So we will it will be easier for you to use plastic bottles also. And one more thing, you need to take care from 1st of July 2022. There will be plastic restrictions will be there. 120 microns minimum plastic you should use, otherwise it will be having a problem. So these are the mango box we have developed for the export cartons for the 1 kilo, 2 kilos, and 5 kilos. So main thing is that the packaging, the product, it should highlight, it should look at wow. This is the 5 ply carton we have developed.
Sir, will you please show it again because we couldn't see that. Open it and you please show it. How does it look inside? Just pull up. Right. Okay.
And
many questions are coming. How to pack honey packing? So do you have a glass bottle packing? You can also glass packing. Yes, it is looking very. It looks like it is a fresh mango is there. Picture is very
okay.
attractive.
Then honey bottles. So we have developed one. It's a different packaging. So these are the. So what we are trying to show. We are trying to show the green cardamom over there directly. So there is no need to search for anywhere. Directly customer will pick up and he will purchase. Okay. Azun त्याच्यात नाही दाखव. म्हणजे कुत्र्याचं दाखव. So फ्लोराचा दाखव. हा दाखव. ते पण दाखव. खालचं पण दाखव. But we have used different colors for using this. These are the we have developed these packaging for pickle bottles. These are the for the pickle bottles. We have kept the 4 bottles inside and yeah.
Yes, yes.
Specifically, we have used different colors, specialized colors. It's indicating very vibrancy. Actually, and these kind of, suppose if you want to develop some packaging for these are the boxes. Suppose if you want to develop some boxes, some cartons for specifically for pouches. So we are developing in that way. Okay. Okay, sir, you can ask anything.
Dhaval is asking the questions. Can we use vacuum packing for pickles?
Normally, nitrogen flush will be most fantastic thing for the pickles, and it will increase the shelf life, as well as as well as the taste will be the same. But actually, I will share you. I'll tell you some. Okay. Okay. The for the garments, do you have some good packaging?
Sir, meanwhile, friends, you can meanwhile you can put your questions on the. So how do you find it? Do you find it interesting? You can put it in chat box. Do you find it interesting? Are you getting value? So be ready, because it is very important part, because you all are participant. My request to all participants, you are learning export import documentation, how to find out the buyer. Suppose if you got the buyer and your product is not attractive, do you think he will buy it from you? One time he will buy, but if he could not find it, it is very attractive, it is not, so he will not buy it, and your export will not be sustainable export. Here we always talk about the sustainable export business, not 1 or 2 times of exports. So again, you can ask whatever questions are there, we are having a time, 20-30 minutes time we are having. You can ask the question. Suppose if you fail to answer your question, you can repeat it in chat box. Yes, sir. Carry on.
Box we are developed for sari packaging, garments packaging, premium box, and one more thing that
Somebody has also asked about the groundnut oil.
So actually, in our kind of packaging, normally we are not promoting liquid because we don't have that. But I will guide you how to do it. So these are the packaging we have developed. So these are the UV kind of thing. It's having a different feeling for this. It's a texture. It's a texture. We have developed some of the boxes for this having a Pantone color in it. So it will definitely indicate the specialized job, or the customer can catch in 3 seconds. Okay, sir. I will guide you on the liquid packaging. I will talk to him and I will guide him properly.
Any other questions? You can put it in. Sir, costing will affect. Sir, costing will affected. Don't you think if you give a high quality packing? Rahul has asked the question.
My intention is that the cost of the packaging should not increase 7% to 9% or 10% of the product. Suppose it increases, then you need to increase the MOQ, minimum order quantity. So normally we are insisting our customers to go for at least the price should not exceed 7 to 8% of the packaging, or he should go for more quantity, then the price will come down. But if you are considering that the best packaging, then definitely you are going to save a lot of money on marketing. I will tell you the example of that masala, Mahi Masala. He had just started a year back, and now whenever he is going to any shop, the customers are ready to keep the material. So he has developed in the span of 1 year, but now he was telling me around 144 shops has kept his material because of the packaging. Packaging will play a very important role in customer success. Oh, and overall, considering overall cost of the packaging, it definitely have a upper edge for you.
Nitin has asked the questions. Nitin from Jammu Kashmir. He has asked the question. Just a minute. I'm reading his questions for you. He wants to. I have Kerry. I want to start the whole spice brand. Please suggest which type of packing I have to start as a newbie. He want to start a spice brand, whole spice brand. He's from Jammu and Kashmir. He wants to start a spice brand. He's our student.
Sir, spices are normally we can use in glass bottles, or spices means I'm talking about pickles or spices he can use for paper packaging. Monocartons are the best thing for monocartons, but he has to take care while designing in a very special way. It will definitely monocartons are the suitable method for him. Or if he wants to go for a higher scale, then he should go for flexo. But for the startup, he should go for monocarton. And one more advantage in monocarton, now we are doing some jobs for some of the multinational companies, which they are exporting in so many countries. So for each and every country, the customers are insisting us to have their own local language. So for them, so we are exporting it to Japan. So we are doing we are bringing Japanese language in that. And suppose if you want to sell it to Spain, so we are using Spanish language. In Germany we are spending. So for these kind of jobs, if you want to go for flexo, then you need to prepare a lot of dies for a lot of cylinders for them. And instead of that, we are preparing on it's very economical to print on monocartons while using these kind of.
Anil sir, just now whatever you discuss, I'll put it in some different word. In marketing, there are some strategies are there. Right now, he just shared with us ki if we are exporting to Japan, so we should use the Japanese language or their culture, whatever symbol of culture is there, we have to use it. This marketing strategy is called. There are various strategies like international marketing strategy. There is a country strategy, and these types of specific strategy is called intranational marketing strategy. Intranational marketing strategy means suppose Amazon is globally is spread globally, but what Amazon will do, he is having more than 100 countries. But suppose if they want to enter into India, they will take the example of pizza with that McDonald's, McD. Actually, India is the country which is having too many vegetarian people. So what they have developed the veg products in that McD and also KFC. KFC globally it is famous for the non-veg products, but for Indian market they have developed the veg product because that is their intranational strategy. So same Anil sir was sharing like packing. We have to study that culture. We have to do the country study, that behavior, their culture, and accordingly we have to design the packing accordingly. I remember one example, that is one of the Punjabi person. He wanted to sell his product into Pakistan, but he put the Om and other Devi Devta symbol. Obviously, that product is not acceptable in Pakistan. Vice versa. So this is the thing. Am I right, sir? This is the things you were sharing with the here. So one more question. Siddharth had asked for garments. Do you have any some packing examples for garments? He's asking.
Yeah, garments we are doing the boxes, but we are doing as per the customer's requirement, or the customer will develop some such kind of thing. For the premium customers, for the premium brand, the cost of the saree will be around more than 5,000, 10,000 rupees, something like that. So we are doing local jobs also as well as export jobs also. But I was telling, I wanted to add one more thing. Normally, some of the countries are insisting their own language on the packaging. So for the designing, for the if you want to make the on flexo, it will be too expensive. So that's why the companies are indicating us or insisting us to print on monocartons, and that's why it will be economical for them. And suppose if there is any change in the language or any word, so we need to instead of investing a lot of money on cylinders, we can print on the cartons. So you can see in this also carton, the what is mentioned over there. It's a Shengana Army. The company name is not written in a big way, because the customer is suppose anyone wants to purchase it, he's hungry, so you can directly go for that. He has not seen who is the manufacturer. First sale will be done, then second sale, definitely second sale will be done because of the taste of the product.
Anil sir, I like your these things. During also discussion, you said that first sale is done because of the packing, and then second sale is done because of the taste of the product. But if you want to give taste of the products, first sale has to be done. Otherwise, otherwise our sale will not increase. One more question. It is very different questions. Adesh is asking, sir, how much capital is required in order to set up a packing company? Different, but we should answer. I don't mind. We should answer these questions. Anybody is curious about that? It is very vague question. I understand. It is very vague.
I will share. I will talk to him personally, because I will guide him also. Some of the because now normally in Pune there are a lot of companies who are manufacturing the machines for the spices kind of thing. Packaging company. He wants to develop. So packaging company. There are two things. One, if he wants to develop in Flexo, or he wants to develop the mono. If you want to develop a mono carton will at least it will take around 15 to 20 crores for setting up a minimum level packaging plant. Having a 6-color coater with online attachment with UV and all this thing with Bob's punching, Bob's folder blower. We have got Bob's folder blower as well as punching, and we have got Heidelberg as well as Mitsubishi printing machines.
So many are asking your address, your phone number and contact number. Will you please put it on? Can I share your presentation?
Yeah. And one more thing, we have now that. So these are the biryani boxes, takeaway boxes. There is a tremendous trend for the takeaway boxes. So these we have developed for biryani. And these are the things people can. It's a need of the hour now, because of the takeaway market is increasing, and main thing is designing is more important. What?
Okay. Dhaval is asking the questions. Do you provide packing service for small scale industry or grow udyog?
Yes. We can provide a small scale as well as grow. There is no problem. We will guide them also what to develop, what to do first of all, what is the first stage, what is the second stage, how to grow, and what you should incorporate in the packaging while designing all these things.
Or suppose if there is a participant are expecting 4 to 5 or 10 participants are there, to save the time, we can again organize the session and we'll take it live. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Suppose, because initially I know your procedure is when somebody asks you the inquiry, then you go into detail what is packing products, and then you give the solution, right?
Yes.
You are also giving consultancy.
Yeah, we are giving consultancy. We are giving the right guidance for the right product and solutions for the, because normally every money is very important, and he should not waste the money. We should definitely guide him what to do, how to grow, and then definitely he will come back to us again.
Anil sir, to save your time, I understand you give everybody around 20, 30, 1 hour to understand one person's product, right? To save the time, suppose our participant 9 or 10 participant want to talk with you, and if you arrange the one webinar or one session to one along with one individual, we'll keep it open, so everybody will understand the practically how will you deal it, because it is a session you are talking about the products and how what are you doing, but practically what actually you do. So that will be a live learning experience. So can we do this way? A participant, will you please give your opinion about that? Suppose 4 to 5 participants want to set up their do design or packing, so we'll do it live. So it will be learning experience as well as it will also save the Anil sir's time, because sir, many are the participants, they are not from Pune.
Okay.
They are from Jammu, South and various locations they are from. Will you please participate? Will you please put your state name so we'll understand? Will you please put your state name? Chandigarh, Odisha, Punjab, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Yes, please. All participant. Chhattisgarh, Yogesh. Jamshedpur, Mumbai. Vinod says Mumbai. Yes. Anybody? Nashik, Bangalore, Varanasi, Pune. Yes. Pune. Pune. There are two from Pune, Mumbai. Please put it fast. Please put it fast. Gujarat. So they cannot come to at your location, and you also cannot go. So
I will guide them.
if you are interested, all participants, still we are having a 10 to 15 minutes of time. Jammu Kashmir Nitin is saying, if you are interested, what we will do, you select your product, we will organize one more webinar, and he will give the live, how he deal with the live and interact with, we'll do the like one-to-one, and it will be live. Is that okay? Participant, Nitin is interested, anybody is interested? So we'll take it next Wednesday. I will take I'll get the confirmation from his time and availability, and we'll take it again Wednesday 8 to 9. Okay, Yogesh says, Dhawan says yes. So again, what we will do, we'll put it in our all social media platform for next Wednesday. Sir, is that okay? Will you please give availability?
No problem.
Next session will be on one-to-one, how you are helping to the clients.
Only one request. Suppose if they can let me know what are the products they are interested, so I can keep myself free, as well as the cartons. I will take out the cartons accordingly and show them how we can develop and how we can go ahead for this kind of thing. I will guide them properly.
Okay. So what we can do, I will I'll make some different group, new group, and what we will do, new group, and you can join that group. I am making the new group for Anil sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll make new group, and you can also just a minute, give me. You can carry on. Meanwhile, I'll make a new group.
I will share one of the box for the tea we have developed. So it's a premium kind of thing. It's a main thing is that we wanted to showcase only tea and the brand company's brand name, as well as we have done in a, it's a textured UV kind of thing, very systematic in this kind of thing. So whatever you wanted to promote, the product should definitely highlight over there. We are developing some chocolate boxes. So we have developed such kind of thing. It's a Pani Puri box, and it's a different shape box. It's a these are the premium kind of boxes we have developed, and so now you can just take the example of chapli. What is indicating the customer? The company name is not in a. So we are doing some jobs for Suhana also. We're doing it for Suhana. We are doing it for. So these are the, it's indicating the product name product. These are the masala for Savai, for the Prakash masala. And one more advantage, I wanted to tell you, in this food packaging, there are three exhibitions are there mainly. One is Gulf Expo, one is Sial, which is in Paris, and one is in Anuga in Germany. So you should visit for the food packaging. Definitely there will be an. So we are developing these kind of boxes for No, for the
Sandal.
sandal boxes.
Rahul is asking the questions. So all packaging is for export or domestic market also.
So we are doing it for domestic, we are doing it for export, but we are considering looking at the product, it's look like export. So we are giving each and every product in a different way. It's a simple product.
This was awesome. Huh? This was when I had visited last week Anil sir's office. It was awesome. When we see the packing, we feel that I have to have this package. Very nice packing and attractive packing.
And what you want to ask, you can ask. I can guide them.
You can ask any questions, sir. We have prepared, Anil sir. We have also prepared one more group because in next sessions they will talk with you on one-to-one basis. And how do you guide them? Then that it will be on live, so everybody will know. And you can. This is also recorded sessions. Everybody will know because it will also save your time and also their time. They cannot come to your location, but they can interact with you online. Is that okay? We have created a group. More than 10 people already have joined.
One more. I wanted to share one comment that whenever you wanted to make a packaging, you should first look at the competition. Who are your competitors, and what about their packaging? So our packaging should be better than the competitors. So any layman can pick up our packaging in 3 seconds. It should be better than our competitors.
Sir, Nilesh is asking, do you have Tetra packing?
No, ma'am. No. We don't have Tetra Pak, but I have a link. I will share the contact numbers or contact details of the Tetra Pak persons.
Okay. Baldev is asking, Hindi में answer दीजिए. Can you show our rice packing? Rice का कुछ packing का कुछ है क्या आपके पास?
Rice packing, I have done some packaging for rice, but in 1 kg and 3 kg for format. It's not here right now, but I will guide him.
Next Wednesday you can show. Huh? And MD Alam asking which type of packaging are required for tomato, potato, and onion.
So we are developing it's a job. Dubai side export. I will share one boxes we have done for onion for Dubai. Just
Sauka, sir.
different packaging.
It is okay, sir. It is okay, sir. If they, you can show it in next Wednesday also. No problem. We do not need to. Any other questions there?
I will guide them for the tomatoes, potatoes, and onions.
So what you can do, MD Alam, next Wednesday we are also repeating these sessions, and it will be one-to-one. You will be on this board, and you will directly ask him questions, and whatever questions are or how to design, that will be one-to-one discussion. At least we'll take a 5 to 7 participant. It will be one-to-one live session. Is that okay, sir? It may be for 8 to 10. It will 90 minutes or it will be 120 minutes. But he will do the consultancy part for you, right? So any questions? Sir, one question, which is the best atom for selling? Yogesh, this question is related to export marketing. We call it how to select the product. So my request to you, please join our weekly webinar, which is happening coming Wednesday, 8 to 10. Please join our webinar. Please join our social media platform and join our webinar. Anil sir has already put his number. His cell number is 922011674. You can send him a WhatsApp. Do not directly call him, and take his time and then talk with him. But better way, we have already organized coming Wednesday sessions. You can ask him a question because it will save his time. He is very busy in his activity. Is that okay? Participant? Is that okay? Any other questions? We'll take 1 or 2 last questions. Okay, we'll take 1 or 2 last questions. Any other questions are there regarding next Wednesday or regarding anything today's sessions? We'll wait for and then you will give the final comment. Please share Anil sir's number. Anil sir's number already share. I am sharing you again. Just a minute. I am sharing you again. I am sharing you again. Anil sir's number. Also, anybody wants to, we are going to take 7 to 8 participant one-to-one live on online sessions. They will ask their product and what will be the design. He will give the live advice. So you can take the part. I am sharing the WhatsApp link. You can join that WhatsApp and he will update on that. You can come. I'll make you admin, Anil sir, that group, and you can coordinate. And next Wednesday again we'll meet around 8 to 9. I'm sharing the WhatsApp link again with you all. So, Anil sir, any final comments?
Thank you, participants, for all your participation. And if you need any help, definitely we are here with Vinayak sir. And thank you, Vinayak sir, once again for this wonderful opportunity for sharing my some thoughts. I'm not too good in English, but definitely.
No, you are good in English, sir. You are very good, and my special thank, not for Anil sir. My special thank to Anjali madam for her help. She has helped. Actually, she is the person. She has coordinated all these things. Because of Anjali madam, she is looking after all the activity. Anil sir is working there as an employee. She is the owner.
That's right.
She's a direction in home as well as in office. So thank you, Anil sir. Thank you all participants. We will again discuss on this topic, and it will be one-to-one. So you can join WhatsApp group. Again, I am putting in chat box. So it will be one-to-one live, how he guides and how he guide and consult to the new product developer, and how that will be live sessions. So it is a practical, it will be practical session. So please join next Wednesday session. We will share the link and everything, and you can also forward this message to all your colleague friends who wish to start their export business, because 24 Mile we are working on, 24 Mile family is working on to make an export reach India. It will not happen because you 10 or 15 people will after doing the export. We need all has to be exporter, then it will happen. So we will share the link on all our social media platform today or tomorrow. Then please circulate to you all your friends, colleagues, and you are in friend circle and social media platform. Is that okay?
Yes.
Is that okay, all participants? So thank you again, Anil sir, Anjali madam, for your valuable time. And again, you are given the commitment for the next Wednesday. Really, we really appreciate your efforts, and you are guiding too many, doing a lot of activities since last 20-30 years. Really thankful for your valuable time, and we'll meet you on next Wednesday.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.